Welcome to the 2021 Chevrolet Trail Boss. The Trail Boss is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Jumping into the interior here, power windows, locks, and mirrors, drivability dial, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights. Truck has a leather updated steering wheel, 7,569 kilometers, column shifter, push button ignition. We have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual zone climate control, heated front seats, integrated trailer braking system, USB ports, and an outlet. Truck has dual glove boxes, all black interior as well, Bose audio for the high quality audio system in the vehicle, and the black leather heated seating up front of the Chevrolet Silverado. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Silverado Trail Boss, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Autotrac all-terrain tires. We have blacked out door handles, blacked out window trim, keyless entry, Z71 package. Now the Trail Boss comes with the factory 2-inch lift up front, making room for those big wheel and tire packages. Coming to the front of the Trail Boss here, you have the blacked out bumper and grille combo, Z71 badging, fog lights, red recovery hooks, beautiful looking front end, 3M protectant there as well, saving the rock tips. Rear tinted privacy windows on the crew cab. At the back of the regular box Trail Boss, again the black bumpers, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, LED brake lights, and the Chevrolet multi-flex tailgate. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.